Morning YouTube. Welcome to 2025, my first video of the year. We are going for a drive today. We're nothing spectacular. It's a beautiful day. It's Fetch first actually, and it's like plus 10 here in Grand Cache. I bought a drone, so I got a little place. I'm gonna go do the maiden voyage. I flew it a little bit in my basement at home. I think I got it figured out. Let's go. Well, they got their shacks off the water. That's probably a good idea, or off the ice. Look at that, eh? Quite a few of them. So I was thinking of flying the drone here out on the ice. This is Grand Cache Lake. There's still a few shacks there. It's probably thick enough. But if that thing flies away on me, and I'm chasing it across the ice on the other end, where it goes into the canal, probably pretty thin over there, and I'll fall through and I'll die. I don't want to die today. So I got a little spot, an abandoned airstrip. It's all nice asphalt. If I can get in there, we'll try it there. There's no bush around. It's like, whatever, a couple miles long. Oh, nice. The road looks fairly dry. Awesome. Okay, we're here. A little bit of snow. So, I think we'll go down to the other end. This is an actual abandoned, it's the Grand Cache Airport, but it's been closed for just about a decade now. Didn't buy a very expensive drone, you guys. I just want to try it out, see if I can figure it out and incorporate it in some videos maybe. Okay, we're at the end of the runway. I think we're gonna go just fly around here. Okay, the unboxing. It's a little, it's called a chuburi, just a tiny little guy. Yeah, it's very small. And today's a pretty good day. There's no wind, it's calm. So there we go, guys. A77. I didn't spend much money on this, guys. I just want to try this out. So, okay, guys, what I'm going to do is I brought my, it's only +5 here, so it's not that warm, but I brought my head mount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you guys right here, and you can see what I'm doing. I just got to get connected to it and everything, so yeah, we'll try that. Okay, guys, I think I got her. I can either use my phone or this whole contraption here. And we're going to use the whole contraption. Here we go. Okay. And up we go. Oh, and I want to be on... Okay, what's the camera look like? Spin around. Oop. You see us? There we are. And if we go camera down... Let's go up. Where you going, baby? And there she goes. Let's switch the camera. There we are. The reason I want to use the controller, I can use the phone and the controller, is the controller beeps when you're low on battery. It doesn't go very fast, does it? Why is it going so slow? Let's bring it back here. Whoop. It's going crooked. Why is it going crooked like that? I gotta calibrate this thing again. Okay, so let's bring it towards us and we'll see. We'll just land it like that. Oh, she didn't do it. Oh, maybe it is. It's just slower. Is it gonna land? Yeah. There we go. That was a maiden voyage, guys. I'm not too impressed with the camera, though.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.
Okay, I think I figured it out. Oh yeah, I had it on slow mode. Okay, let's land her again. I like how slow it lands when I do it like that. I can do it manually too, right? Huh, okay. Okay, so now, turn the camera down and it points at the ground. Okay, let's go up. And we point the camera down. And there we are. Spin around. Well, my little chubbery A77 drone is quite a challenge. There we are in there, eh? Why does it keep going down? It's gonna hit me right in the head or what? Whoa! It crashed it again. What's going on? I think what it is when the battery gets low, but it's not blinking. The light's still on. What's going on with you, little guy? The light's still on. Gotta make sure we still got a connection. Go into there, and chubbery drone is connected. Let's try it again, guys. Okay, baby, what are you doing here? Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Damn it. Whoa! Whoa, land, don't hit me. Land. Thank you. Okay, we got to put it in speed. 3 beeps is fast, then we put it in headless mode. 1 beep, and up we go. Headless mode means that you can fly it. Well, why is it not going up now? Oh, bet you the batteries. Why didn't it beep on here? There we go. Land, baby. I'm starting to wonder what's going on with this. Okay, I changed the battery again and see what it does now. It's the 3rd battery. Yeah, it was the battery. Man, the batteries don't last very long. Okay, let's stop there. We'll come back towards us. Actually, I'm going to put it in headless mode. I just like it to have auto land, as long as it doesn't land on my head. Oh, no, it just went in the hover. There we are. There we go. Okay, so now I got it 100% headless. Okay, up you go. Wonder what kind of range this thing's got. Go off the end of the airstrip. It's bucking some wind right now. It's slowed right down, eh? Now it's going with it. Look how much faster it is. You got way better control with a new battery. Okay, this thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Down you go. Okay, we've got a 360 thing on here. Okay, hang on, guys. Ready? 360. There, it did it. Look at that. Uh-oh. This is low battery. You see that? Oh, that's kind of cool. We'll do it again. What does the camera do? Okay. Well, that works good. We go that way and away we go. Okay, we're going to take some video here. Up we go. Oop. Okay, we're going to take some video. Let's see if we can see us. Oh, no, it didn't move. Recording. Oh, you can't move the camera when it's recording. Okay, so we're going to stop recording. And then we're going to go flip down. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Record. Oh no. It's the little A77. I'm a little disappointed. Well, guys, that's a little disappointing, isn't it? I didn't spend much money on that. I spent $126 on that, and I'm not totally impressed with it. It's kind of cold too. It's hard to... I'm gonna have to come out here on a nice warm summer day and play with it. I crashed it a couple times. I didn't destroy it though. I took a chip off a wing though, or a propeller. But anyhow, I got some chores to do at home. I was gonna go to Hinton for lunch, but I'm gonna head home and do some chores and go from there. So yeah, we'll head her back down the airstrip. But anyhow, guys, that's it for today. It's a short little one today. Try out that drone, give you guys an update on this year's motorcycle season. If you guys watch my channel, I ride a 2022 Pan America Special. And this summer, I am going to take the Dempster Highway to Inuvik, Tuktoyaktuk, go to the Arctic Ocean. I'm doing that in June. It's not February, so it's not for a few more months. I'll keep you updated on that. But anyhow, you guys, have a great day. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I know this one doesn't seem like much of a video, but check out some of my other videos if you're new here. Benolette outside. Take care of yourselves. GoPro, stop recording.